Hello, my friends. We are going to do another story. This is called Tractor Papa Peekaboo. Let's find out what's in this book. Farmer Fred's up early. He says, I'm plowing fields today. But where's his bright red tractor? Could it be behind the hay? Let's look behind the big hay bales. Peekaboo! There's the red tractor, and it's ready to plow. Chug, 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 chug. Jenny Farm Cat has lost her brother, Jim. He might be in a tractor. He needs to search for him. Let's look behind the sunflowers. Peekaboo, there's Jim Cat riding in front loader. Wow. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Scarecrow scares the birds, he says. This crop's not yours to eat. Here comes the combined harvester to gather all the wheat. Let's find the combined harvester. There it is. Peekaboo. Farmer Flora packs her milk cartons, and it's time for her to go. She just needs her horsey, Henry. Where is he? Do you know? Is horsey Henry hiding behind the cart? Let's find out. There he is. Peekaboo. There he is. He's ready to pull the milk now. Yay! Giddy up. What a fun-filled day it's been on Fred and Flora's farm. But now we've lost more animals. Could they be behind the barn? Let's look. Peekaboo, there's the animals off on a ride in the tractor trailer. Moo, oink, quack. Oh, look at them. Look, there's a little duck down there. Do you see it? He's hiding. Oh, that's a funny book. Well, like always, I hope you enjoyed that story. Make sure to follow so you get notified on my next posts. You can share so other friends can enjoy the story, and make sure to like your favorite post. Bye-bye for now, my friends.